Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by eliminating simple but critical hardware causes. First, verify the power source and cable. A loose connector often mimics a stuck boot. Once done, unplug printers, drives, and USB hubs so the Mac boots with minimal devices. If you have an Intel iMac, perform an SMC reset to clear low-level hardware state. This often resolves power and fan-related hangs. Make sure the screen brightness and external display settings aren't hiding the progress indicator. Now transition to diagnostic boot modes to narrow software causes. Try Safe Mode by holding Shift. This disables non-essential extensions and runs a directory check. If it boots, remove recently installed apps or texts. If Safe Mode fails, boot to recovery using Command+R, run disk utility to repair the startup volume, and consider reinstalling Mac OS without erasing data. For deeper clues, boot in verbose with Command+V and read error lines. Those messages tell you which extension or process is hanging. Finish with recovery and fallback options to restore function or save data. If the system still won't start, boot from an external installer or use target disk mode to copy important files to another Mac. This preserves data before deeper fixes. Reset nvram/pram to clear startup parameter corruption, then perform a clean reinstall if repairs didn't fix the issue. If you suspect hardware, like failing SSD or logic board, run Apple Diagnostics and record error codes to report to a technician. This speeds professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.